Babe, what are we gonna do?
Alright, after leaving San Juan, we are now in San Sebastian looking for a river, but before we stopped at this place right here. I think it's called Chess Cheeseburger. Is it Chess? Oh, Chelis cheeseburger, but with a tripleta. That's crazy. She also have the view. What a beautiful view to eat this in. How's it, my wife? Yeah, that's huge.
I know.
What'd you get again? Pastrami?
Pastrami sandwich.
And I got the tripleta.
I was definitely expecting something very small.
Yeah, well, time to eat. Okay, so currently we are in the entrance of El Saltillo in San Sebastian, Puerto Rico. And we're gonna go check it out. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. All right, so we asked around here in San Sebastian. We see that many people, they do guide you to the correct area, but they whoa, about to trip. But they kind of like don't want to really tell you where things are because they want to keep it to themselves. But this is a beautiful place. I've seen it in pictures and Instagram, and I definitely want to actually see it and check it out. So let's see what happens. And basically don't allow you to go through the road. So what we did was we asked the people that live in that house over there, right in front of the sign, and we asked permission to see if we can go, and they said, yeah, sure, go ahead. Now I'm noticing that there is another kind of like fence guarding this area. So we did ask permission, and they said, yes, you can go, and that is what we're going to do. Now, how will we get through this? I'm assuming we're going to have to go under this thing right here in order to get around. So let's do it. All right, so you have to play a little bit of limbo to get in. So here's my wife. She'll show you how to do it. She just saw me do it. Let me do it. Let me do it. And there you go, you're in. Now this is beautiful. Look at this. By the way, I got this foldable cooler. I think I mentioned it before when we made our video to Aruba. Definitely get this cooler. You know, you fold it in your luggage, you bring it with you, and then when you get to the places and we don't know how long the hike is going to be, you can drink whatever you need to, fresh and cold.
Yeah.
That's very important. You gotta stay hydrated, especially here in Puerto Rico. Today we were topping 93, 94 degrees on the beginning of November, so you know it's important. Looks like we have ruins up there of a house. You know, a common error that I usually make when I make these hikes is that I almost always wear what I'm not supposed to. For example, I got water shoes, although you know those are pretty good for water situations and rivers, but you know, it's better if you just wear some old sneakers that you don't like. You bring them with you and hiking, put them on.
Hiking boots.
Or yeah, hiking boots.
It has to be.
Yeah, she never has. But you know, it is what it is. This is an abandoned private property. Lots of land. Check out all the beautiful butterflies.
The heat is getting to me now.
It's an abandoned house. So this property definitely had things in construction, I guess. You have this house right here, but look at the humongous houses they were going to build here. So I don't know what happened. I don't know what's the story of this place, but you know, It's crazy how definitely, or it could have been a house already. I'm assuming that it was a big mansion and something blew it away or knocked it down, although it's made out of cement.
It could be that they never finished it.
And well, it has tiles here and everything. Looks like this was a pool. So this place had to be an amazing house. What do you see up there? Nice view from up there?
Yeah.
All right, let's go up. Let's go check it out. But wow.
I feel like I'm in Jurassic Park.
Oh man, this is awesome.
Oh, I see the little lagoon over there.
Yeah, there's a lagoon.
I wouldn't swim in it though.
Man, how many millions do you need to transform this place?
Ooh. I don't know. If you're talking about the whole land, I'm thinking maybe 5 million.
I think more, but this, wow, if you had the money for it, you could make an amazing house up here. No one will bother you.
Imagine you make a big pool at the bottom and you could just slide down to the pool.
Well, they have a pool in the bottom.
Like right here, just slide down to the pool.
Beautiful. All right, so now we're walking down, not really knowing where we're going, but according to the guy we asked, he just said continue walking all the way down until you find it. And then he said good luck.
It's okay, babe. You can trust my wifely instinct.
Okay. I mean, I'm absolutely amazed at this property. You know, it's very secluded. No one knows about this place, honestly. There's only like a very...
It's a coquille.
What?
No.
Oh yeah, look at the coquille. Ah, you made him run away.
Yeah, I didn't catch him.
But I'm interested. I'm gonna continue investing. When I have enough money, I'm gonna lay an offer to whoever the owner is, because you could totally transform this place and make this place paradise on earth.
Yeah, and you can
It's
make
beautiful.
Your Alman travel agency.
No, I want to make my residence here. This is spectacular. All right, so honestly, I don't know where we're at. We're just walking down. I do hear a river though. Yeah.
So we're getting closer.
We are getting closer because I do hear some water. I'm assuming it's in that valley down there. So that's a good thing. Let's continue. Okay, so we do see a waterfall, and I'm thinking that we have found our destination. I'm praying we did, but it wasn't that bad of a walk. It's a little muddy here now, but wow, can't wait to get to the finish line. And after maneuvering a bit, check it out. Wow, this is so beautiful and so secluded. It's just for me and my wife right now. We rented it to God, and God has given us the petition of our hearts. We have found this beautiful place. Look at that. It says no arrojar basura ni escombros. Do not throw garbage in this place. Keep it beautiful, and that is what we are going to do. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna turn this off because I don't want to fall right here, especially when we just got here. So peace. Now I'll tell you this, the water's freezing. It is freezing, but it is beautiful. It's crystal clear. Check it out. Adam and Eve session we had in the river. Now it's time to go. It's starting to drizzle a bit. I think it's just one of those clouds that just passes by, but you know, we're not going to take any chances either. We do have a long drive. We're going to Fajardo, and that's a pretty bit of a drive from here, from the mountains of San Sebastian. So it is what it is, but overall, an amazing experience. For those of you that have visited Gozalandia here in the same city, it's an awesome place too. It has 2 beautiful waterfalls. However, this one is completely secluded to yourself. With a little love and permission, you're able to come and enjoy this place. And hey, I'll never forget it, let's just say that. All right, so this will end my video here. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more travel videos. I know we have a lot on Puerto Rico, but we continue finding new places here, and you will see some other places as well as we continue traveling. We got a couple of international trips coming for 2022, so you'll see. Whew.